let's take this carburetor part from here to here. Show you the way I put it together. First of all, I put this large washer here right underneath this nut, because the nut was burrowing itself into this aluminum, digging in. So larger washer keeps that from happening. Okay, nuts off. Let's remove this. It used to be very hard to take this off. It's gotten easier as it got worn out from me take on and off, but I still need two hands to do this, I think. Okay, got it up. There's a, oh, see, it's full of fuel. There's a rubber washer here that probably, woo! Let that hang. There it is, hanging. That rubber washer sits up a little bit from this face and right up against this flat piece of plastic. I realized that one end is lower than the other end. This is not as deep as this end. This end is not as deep as this end. The flat surface on this thing is where that rubber gasket lays on top of this rubber. So I have that there. Right underneath there, we'll see the other end of this. It's got a big hole that if I put it this way, the rubber gasket wouldn't even sit. So I use this side. This side. Then we have a washer. Then we have the spacer, aluminum spacer. Then we have another washer here. So that's how I have this carburetor set up. All the holes line up right down the center. And if you were to turn this upside down, you're going to get some trouble, just like you said, offset. So I'm pretty sure this goes this way. Pretty darn sure. Got some metal. You have some metal wiring here from that aluminum. This used to catch a whole lot. Now it catches less. I bet I can put it in with one hand this time. There you go. See, wiggle it in. There you go. See that? Wiggled in. You know, I have a really good eye for lines. And I could swear there's a curve on that, meaning this would be open, this would be closed. Could be a leak. See that? That looks like it's bending out, meaning this is bent. Something's going on there that's just feels wrong. Maybe I'm gonna have to make a shim here on this side of really thick metal. Something's going on there.